Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to make this flyaway transition that you see on the screen. And to make a transition, you have to start out with a cross dissolve. As you've seen, it won't stick right now. That's because I'm at the end and the beginning of a video. It won't go any longer. So you have to pull it back so you have those handles. You have to have some kind of information for the transition to stick. Any transition. And now you'll see it'll stick. Then right click on it. Convert to Fusion Cross Dissolve. Then go up to the right, you'll see a little wand now. Click it, it'll take you to Fusion. We can delete the cross dissolve. Move the media in 2, down below the media in 1, so we don't get it mixed up. And cut the line. Get an image plane. Get another image plane. Merge them together. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms. That's why it's up there in the way. Put the merge selected. Shift space and transform. And shift space and bender. And select the bender. And add a 3D render. Plug it into the media out and you should see it in viewer 2. And put the bender in viewer 1. Select the transform. We're going to move this pivot point from the center to the far left. Go to pivot. On the X, go minus 0.5. Now it should be on the far left. Then go to the translation Z and put in 1.32. And now it should be fitting correctly in viewer 2. I'm going to rotate this so you can see the back. Select the first image plane. Go to visibility and select back. Now the back should be white. Now select the second image plane. Go to visibility. Select front. Now your image should be showing on viewer 2. Select the bender. Select twist. We're going to animate it with the amount. So I'm going to take that all the way up. And if you look at the edges, they're not very smooth. I want to go back to both the image planes. So you can select the other one. Take the subdivisions all the way up. Go to the other one. Subdivisions all the way up. Now you'll see the edges are smooth. Back to the bender. Right click on the amount. Modify width. Anim curve. Then go to the modifier. Change the scale to 0.5. Go back to tools. Right click on the center. Modify width. Anim curve. That basically changes the rolling point from where it rolls from the center, left, or right. We're going to roll it from left to right. Go to the modifier. Make sure you're under center. And change the scale to 2.0. And we're getting there. Go back to the transform. Right click to the Y of the rotation. Modify width. Anim curve. Now you should have what I have going on. And select image plane 2. Go to materials. And pick a default back color. You will have the option to change that in the inspector. I'm going to go with light gray. Let's add a light to this. I think it looks much better. You'll see the color of the gray, whatever you put on the back, will look much better in my opinion with the light. Select the render, add a merge, and a spotlight. Let's go to the render. Change the render type from software to hardware. And enable lighting. Now you'll see we have no light in the viewer. That's because if you look in viewer 1, it's off to the side and behind it. So with the light node selected, go to transform, select use target, and rotate the translation Z to 3.0. Then go to controls and open the cone angle all the way up. Now we want to move this pivot point to the left. Right now it's only affecting the front, not the back. So go to the second image plane. Under materials, select two-sided. Now your back will be lit. We want to get rid of this glare. Go to specular, take the intensity all the way down, and the exponent all the way up. Take your playhead back to frame 0, and now you'll see you have it on the front. Select the first image plane. Go to materials, specular, intensity all the way down, exponent all the way up. If you roll this, we can about a third of the way, so you can start seeing the shadows on the front part of it. Go to controls, with the image plane 1 selected. Go to lighting, and deselect the affected by lights. We don't want to light the front, just the back. And now if we go to the image plane 2 and do that, and you'll see it'll turn it on and off for the back. And that's back only. Okay, I'm liking what I'm seeing. Bring your media out, down, cut the line, get a 2D merge. You want to make sure you plug the render into the green input of the merge. And the media in 2 into the yellow. Plug it into media out, and you should have it in viewer 2. And it's looking good. Okay, we'll make the macro. When you highlight these, highlight them like I am. So we'll know where that in the macro. Do not include any of the media ins or the media out. Right click on any one of the other nodes. Go to macro, create macro. Give it a name. Make sure you're on image plane 2. Go to file, save as group. It takes you to macros. Go to Fusion instead. Templates. Edit. Transitions. Here is where you're going to make a folder to put your preset in. Once again, don't name it the same, or Resolve won't recognize it. And we'll go find it. If you can't find it, you may have to restart Resolve. I'll show you an easy way to put them on. I'll delete this. You line your playhead up in the middle and double click on your transition. It'll go right down there. If you click on it, you change all your colors. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.